Welcome to Best Choice. The best rolling book cart is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of furniture for any book lover, student, or home organizer, offering a mobile and accessible solution to keep your literary treasures neatly arranged and readily available, transforming cluttered spaces into functional and aesthetically pleasing environments with ease. Number 5. SPACELEAD 3-tier rolling cart. Tired of clutter and tight spaces? This cart is designed with intelligent height differences to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage. Need flexibility? Easily switch between a mobile station with smooth rolling casters and a stable, fixed shelving unit. It adapts to your needs, whether in the kitchen or bathroom. Keep everything in its place with adjustable dividers and convenient side hooks. The scientifically designed tier heights ensure even tall bottles and small jars fit perfectly. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving but built strong to hold your essentials, with a unique mesh bottom to prevent moisture buildup. Solve storage challenges anywhere in your home. From the bathroom and kitchen to laundry rooms and small spaces, it's the perfect organizer for any room. What we like? This cart is designed for tight spaces with its slim profile. It can easily convert from a mobile station to fixed shelving. If you have limited space and need versatile storage solutions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of books. It was easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly. The shelves are adjustable, which is great for different sized books. Number 4. WDT 990 pounds heavy-duty rolling utility cart. Introducing a heavy-duty rolling utility cart built to last. Its robust metal construction supports an incredible 990 pounds, ensuring it can handle your toughest tasks with ease. Navigate your space smoothly with 4 silent casters, designed for swift and stable transport of heavy loads. 2 locking wheels provide extra security when you need it to stay put. This cart features a comfortable push bar, adjustable shelves for customized storage, and helpful accessories like hooks and liners to meet all your organizational needs. From kitchens and restaurants to garages and offices, this versatile cart is perfect for organizing and moving a wide range of items, big or small. Setting up is a breeze, taking just 15 minutes with no tools required. We stand by its quality and are here to assist with any questions you may have. What we like? Boasting an impressive 990 pounds capacity, this cart is built for serious work. Its silent casters ensure smooth, quiet transport of heavy loads. If you need a robust and reliable cart for commercial kitchens, restaurants, or warehouses, this heavy-duty option is ideal. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of books. It was easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly. The shelves are adjustable, which is great for different book sizes. Number 3. TOOLF 3-tier rolling cart, white. Tired of complicated assembly? This rolling cart snaps together in under 5 minutes, no tools required. It's perfect for anyone who needs organized storage without the fuss. Built with premium steel, each shelf supports up to 44 pounds. This sturdy trolley won't bend or wobble, even with heavy items, ensuring years of reliable use. Glide it anywhere on its 4 premium casters, or lock 2 wheels in place for extra stability. The mutable design protects your floors and keeps things quiet. With 3 spacious tiers, this cart makes the most of vertical space. Its slim profile fits perfectly in tight spots, offering efficient storage solutions. From the kitchen to the bathroom, office, or craft room, this versatile organizer transforms clutter into order. Its neutral white finish complements any decor. What we like? Assemble this cart in under 5 minutes with its innovative tool-free design. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, each shelf supports up to 44 pounds. If you value quick setup and sturdy construction for everyday use in your kitchen, bathroom, or office, this cart is a great pick. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of books. It was easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly. The adjustable shelves are a great feature for different book sizes. Number 2. Workington Rolling Book Truck 3001 Black. This rolling book truck features an extra side rack for additional storage. It's perfect for libraries, classrooms, or even as a bookshelf at home. Navigate your space with ease thanks to its 4 swivel casters. They are designed to be non-slip, quiet, and wear-resistant for smooth movement. Built for longevity, it has 3 single-sided flat shelves made from heavy-duty carbon steel. This ensures it can withstand frequent use. Each shelf can hold up to 100 pounds, and the entire cart supports a total of 300 pounds. You can confidently store a large number of books. With dimensions of 30W x 13D x 46H, it offers ample space. There are 12 inches of vertical clearance between each shelf for easy access. What we like. This book truck comes with an extra side rack for literature, making it perfect for libraries and classrooms. It features lockable casters for stability and can hold up to 100 pounds per shelf. If you are organizing a library, classroom, or need a specialized book storage solution, this cart is designed for you. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of books. It was easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly. The shelves are adjustable, which is great for different-sized books. Number 1. Lorell Double-Sided Book Cart. Introducing the Lorell Double-Sided Book Cart, designed to help you move more books and items with ease. Its generous capacity makes transporting your collection simple and efficient. Navigate tight spaces with confidence thanks to its smooth, rounded handles. This cart is engineered for easy steering and control, making every move a breeze. The perforated end panels not only add a touch of style but also ensure better air circulation. Keep your items fresh and your cart looking good. Featuring 5 smooth casters, this cart glides effortlessly across any surface. They also lock securely in place when you need it to stay put. Constructed with welded steel and a durable powder coat finish, it's built for long-lasting performance. This cart is ready to withstand daily use for years to come. What we like. With its double-sided design, this cart allows you to transport a large volume of books and items efficiently. It features smooth handles for easy maneuvering and durable welded steel construction. If you need to move many books or supplies at once and appreciate a stylish, functional design, this double-sided cart is an excellent choice. What people say. This rolling book cart is sturdy and holds a lot of books. The wheels on this cart make it easy to move around the room. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my office. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.